Hey everybody, so this is the second video in my series on circle theorems. So in this question, we've been asked to calculate the values of the marked angles, so angles D and E, and then to state any theorems or angle properties that we use. So the first thing we need to do is we need to label each of these vertices. So we'll call this one A, B, C, D, and E. Now we can see that O to A and O to C are both radii of the same circle, so these will be equal. And because of this, we can say the angle at the centre, the 96, will be double the angle at the circumference, angle D. So we can work out angle D, 96 divided by 2, so 48 degrees. The way we describe this is A to E to C, which is this path here, so this angle, equal to 48 degrees, because the angle at the centre is double the angle at the circumference. We can also see that D to B is a tangent to the circle, because it touches the circle at one point along the circumference. At this same point, we have a radius going to the centre, and we know that the angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degrees. We can label this here. So if this is 90 degrees, then we can work out this angle as the difference between 90 and 80. So this will be 10 degrees. So what we'll say is that O to C to E is equal to 10 degrees because a radius and a tangent are perpendicular. Now we can also use the fact that O to C and O to A are equal because now we have an isosceles triangle, which means this angle must be the same as this angle. We can work out each of these as 180 minus the 96 divided by 2. And this works out as 42 degrees each. What we'll say is that O to C to A is equal to O to A to C. Can you see these two paths here and here? Because angles in an isosceles triangle have a sum of 180 degrees. Now we can work out angle E using the alternate segment theorem. We have this 80 degrees, which is in this segment, and in the alternate segment, we have this angle, A to E to C. And we know that these two angles must be equal. So if E plus 42 equals 80, then angle E will be 38 degrees. And we'll describe this as E to A to O must equal 38. And you can see in that path E to A to O because of the alternate segment theorem. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that's given you a clearer idea on how to use and describe the circle theorems. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and worksheet from our website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again, and take care.